Hey, welcome to MarineMax Lake Norman. My name is Leo Johnson, and today I am standing in front of a brand new piece of inventory. This is a 2025 Harris Grand Mariner 250. It's one of our favorite models in the Harris lineup. This particular boat, 25-foot 250 with the 400 horsepower V10 Verado out back, finished in the metallic black with the matte black accent and the black 400 to match. It's also got the Ion Tower, paint matched in black as well, and the double bimini. This is a very well equipped boat. Let's climb aboard and check out some of the interior features. Climbing aboard, this boat's got the Chestnut interior. It's one of our favorite colors for this model year. I already mentioned it's got the 400 V10 out back. This boat also has the ski tow pylon set up here. We have also equipped it with the lily pad easy step ladder. This is an upgrade from the factory. A nice wide tread on there, comes up and down super easily. Last thing, back here at the transom of the boat, I want to show you these combination fender holder and safety railings. There are chains supplied with the boat that go across right here that allow you to face rear when underway. This particular boat is in the SLDH layout. It's one of our most popular layouts. SL meaning the sun lounger back here. You've got the option to flip this into 3 total positions. Go all the way flat just like that. And then exclusive to Grand Mariner, you have 3 ratcheting seat backs up here that can go to varying levels. And then on all SL and SLDH boats, you're gonna have a cooler integrated here from the factory. Stainless steel cup holders throughout, USB and USB-C charging. You've also got a stereo remote up top here and down below for your swim up controls. Got a nice gate over here on your starboard side. Keep those kids and pets in the boat when you're underway. Opens up nicely. Follow me inside here. Again, I mentioned this boat has the Ion Power folding tower that you see here. It's also got RGB light accents throughout. See, we've got the bimini collapsed right now, but this comes up right here and pairs well with your forward bimini to give you full shade whenever you want it. This boat's gonna have a raised helm platform like all Grand Mariners, and we've equipped this one with the Deluxe Tech 2 package, which is gonna give you the twin Simrad NSX screens, your JL Platinum stereo, as well as some controls over here. You're gonna have RGB lighting controls, all of your zones, your tower up and down, your horn and things like that. A couple important things back here. This boat's got a digital throttle and shift as standard on the 400 V10, and just behind that you see the controls for the Mercury single engine joystick. It's an exclusive feature to Harris. It's an awesome setup on this Grand Mariner. JL Audio tower speakers on this boat as well as part of the upgraded stereo package, and then we've done a flip out table over here on the port side, give you that space. Your co-captain's gonna have a mirrored chair to the captain's seat. This swivels, slides, and reclines. The push of a button here. You're also gonna have 2 cup holders, USB charging, storage, and a wireless charger right there in the middle. Great storage on this boat. You see we've got a little cubby right here. Right under me, we've got the center locker. This is the largest in the industry. We've got the cover in here right now, so it doesn't really do it justice, but trust me when I say there's a ton of room down here for storage. Got great space under the seats as well. These all flip out on a nice mechanism. And then this boat is also equipped with the optional ottoman and cooler. You can open that up, store some drinks in there, and you've got 4 cup holders on it as well. This 2025 Grand Mariner 250 is in stock and available here at MarineMax Lake Norman. If you like this boat and want to check it out in person, stop by our showroom here in Cornelius, give us a call, or check us out at marinemax.com for more. Thanks for watching.